Makeup by Mario lip gloss. This is how the lip gloss looks. It's like a really beautiful like nude color. This is golden nude. This is the soft sculpting shaper stick. It's in the shade dark. Looks like this, and this is like the color. And they have one that's darker than this, and then the other end is a brush. And I don't know if you guys see that? It has like 3 little like I would say like humps in the brush, and the brush is really soft. I don't know what kind of hair it is, but it's really soft. Also have the Makeup by Mario eyeliner pencil. It's in like this really gorgeous blue. I swatched it in Sephora, and these liners are extremely creamy. I don't know if they're gel, but they glide really nice. It has a double end. This is like a brush end, and then it has, you know, just the pencil. Makeup by Mario 4-quad eyeshadow palette. It retails for $25. That's a great price. And this is the Glam quads, and it's in the color Party Glam. And it just have like these really pretty blue shades as a sparkly blue, a silver, a matte blue, and a gold. And they are only $25. It has a mirror. And one thing I love about Mario, his products, Mario products are just very sleek. They look very professional. They look very like 21st century-ish. I love it. I already primed my eyes with the MAC's Layin Low Paint Pot eyeshadow primer. And I always just dust over any type of like setting powder over it because it makes it easier to blend. Also put on the Nars foundation, the Creamy Radiant, and I'm in the shade Macao, and this is the Natural Radiant Longwear foundation. This foundation is amazing. Especially it's great for summer. And then I use the Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer in a mod. Not for sure what look I'm gonna do or what I'm gonna do, but I've been waiting to use this palette. It's so pretty. I don't know, there's like not a transitional shade in here. I really just wanna stay in that palette, but I really would just like something for it to transition in. So I'm gonna just take my palette I have here, just take any type of like neutral brown tone out of your palette. I'm going to use the color OG. I just want something really light, nothing too hectic, just to give me a transition. So just use any brown, like light brown palette you have, like light brown. And when you blend, you just dust it right in the crease. Hold your brush at the ends and just sweep lightly. Okay, so now that we have that, I just wanted something, you know, to transition in. So now that we have that, I think I'm gonna go into, the matte blue shade. This shade is beautiful, and we're gonna put this right in our crease. Okay, so with this palette, it's nice. The color is nice, but this blue, I think this blue is like, maybe it's meant to pat. See, you see that, how that looks between just blending it? So with this blue color, I most definitely will pat it on and then blend it out. But my eye shape is like different, so I don't really have like the eye where I could just like pat it all, you know? My eye shape is different. And then I would blend. And also when you do that, you're also giving a little bit definition to the eye, a little bit of build here. So with that blue shade, I'm gonna go in with my smudger brush. It's more dense because I wanna go in the crease a little bit more and just add a little bit more in the crease, except for we're just going to define it. And as I always say, don't worry about if it's like not super neat, because you'll clean it up. Like it's makeup, you know, it's like sculpting and building and blending. And I think it's important to find brushes that work with your eye shape. The reason that I like to do like this is because take the dense brush because it's much easier for me to get in my crease area and just give a little bit more definition. Also, I'm going to take a little bit more of that transition shade of that brown, and I'm just going to lay it up here so it's just like not like just blue. I don't really kind of want that. Just gonna blend it up there like that. It's gonna help also just blend out that blue shadow. The shadows are nice. I think the shadows are nice, but I think like from more of, I would like to see them blend a little better, to be honest. I'm gonna go right back in with that blue. This is that Kylie brush. And we are just defining our crease. Take your time and build to your liking or your desired look. What are we gonna do next? We're gonna take this blue and then I'm gonna top it with the silver. Oh, look at that. So I like this. Is this a shimmer? What is this? Like a pressed? I don't know if I don't think it's a pressed pigment. I actually like this blue shimmer like better than the matte. Look at that, y'all. If someone is going to prom or he gave this palette the correct name because I can really see it. And I'll just pop that on with my finger. Hello. So now I'm gonna go back into that matte blue with that Kylie brush. It's like flat but fluffy. I always use something like this. And we're just going to pop it right. Ooh, I have a neck problem. Whew, sorry y'all. And we're just gonna go in and deepen it. Like so. This palette is beautiful. As I always say, blend and build and take your time. Does nobody rush you? Oh, look at that. It's still, look at that. Look at that, so pretty. So now I'm gonna take that silver because blue and silver goes really good together. Like imagine this on New Year's, so pretty. And I am just going to pop that on top of it. So pretty. Look at that, it kind of changes the color. I hope the cameras picked it up, so pretty. I'm gonna go back into that matte blue with my thick, dense smudger brush. And he has brushes too. I really need to upgrade my brushes. I went through like a period where I just wasn't buying any makeup like that, like how I used to, and I feel like I really need to just up my makeup. I'm gonna take this fluffy brush and just blend it at that top area there. Just make sure everything is nice and blended. I'm gonna take this gold shade here because I want to use all the shades, and I just want to pop this in the inner corner. Oh, this is beautiful. This is so pretty. And press it. I like this, like a fluffy brush, because as I'm pressing it, I can really get in there. Like, you see that? And it looks like it's kind of like turning green, I guess because of the color mixture. So bomb. We're gonna add the eyeliner now. I'm just gonna take both ends off and we're gonna be, is it broke? Pop this eyeliner in the waterline. It's really beautiful. It glides like butter. Who wants to drag a hard brick eyeliner in their eyes? Like, not me. I'm gonna use the other side and try this smudger out. Oh, this is beautiful, and it drags. So it drags, so if you want, you can do a nice little liner. And I'm gonna touch it up because I'm gonna go in with my lighter concealer, and it's gonna like maybe take away the lower lash line just because of how my eyes are set up. When you're smudging, make sure you smudge right after. So let's try it. I don't know why my skin looks so patchy. It doesn't look like that like right now, which is so weird. But okay. And I'm just going to blend this out. So what I'm doing is I'm pressing it inwards. Okay, it buffs out really nicely. Like it buffs out the product very nicely. I will say that. Looking for like a new contour product. So I'm really trying to see how I like this one. I'm gonna take the Charlotte bronzer and we're just gonna bronze our skin. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna take I'm gonna be using my Charlotte lip liner and Pillow Talk, like my go-to lately. I'm gonna take the Mario lip gloss in Golden Nude. His lip glosses are nice. It's like not sticky. So this is nice. I will give this product like an 8 out of 10. It blends nicely. I like it, but I actually like the Huda Beauty one better. MakeupByMario is very sleek. It's very beautiful packaging, and it's very professional-like. The eyeliner, it's probably one of my favorites of what I have from Mario. It glides like no other, and you don't want like a tough pencil like dragging on like your eye. So I love the pencil and I love the color. The color is very vibrant. The lip gloss, so beautiful. It's a gorgeous nude. It's not sticky and has a nice color to it. The palette is beautiful. I love the price point. $25 for these shades, and they're beautiful. His team and him really went in on the shimmers. The matte can be a little bit better in my opinion, but it's not bad. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share. And thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next one.